Lekin sizlar bilan bugun Brentford degan jamoaga qarshi o'ynaymiz. Albatta,
It's a big crowd today and a really good atmosphere. They're going 4-2-3 and here is the away team formation. What will be the outcome of today's game? He's thrown it long. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. A great move. He's clean through. Surely a goal is coming. Lovely goal. He struck at such an important time here. Put his team in front. Fantastic goal. A chance to have a better look here. Damsgaard in possession. Regains possession. He's darting forward, using the width of the pitch. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. He loves to run with the ball. Is this a goal? Great stop from Callaghan. Wins the header. An unexpected scoreline in the other game. The underdogs have taken the lead. Carvajal. He's just offside.
Va Isak, Valverde, Gekerishga oshirdi. Gekerish chetdan zarba berar ekan. Va zarba va himoyachi qaytarmoqda.
Mana shu o'yinda yutqazsang, Aslbek yangi jamoamiz a'zosi sochini kalga olib tashlayman deyapti.
Damsgaard in possession.
Azizlar, bizning jamoamizdan Dilyorbek chiqib ketdi. Endi videoga qaytamiz.
Now Isak.
Andres Isak zarba berdi va To'singa tegmoqda.
Ouattara in possession.
Valverde ketdi. Valverde olindi va Rafinha. Olib qo'ydi Rafinha.
Rafinha with this run.
Va Rafinha zarba va
He's
nomi.
hit it too high. The keeper can give a sigh of relief.
Juda ko'p odam obuna bo'lmasak deyapti. 50% oshi. Mening o'zimning Muhammad erta YouTube kanalimga Ziyobek 17 YouTube kanalida.
Va Isak.
Ziyobek
He's up
17
to
YouTube
full
kanali
speed now.
juda
Will we see a goal? And Isak scores. He may be hurt, but he's played through the pain.
Mendan 50% odam YouTube kanalimda obuna
We need to
bo'lmasak
see that goal again.
like ham bosmaydiganlar bor Ziyobek aytdi. Meni ham ko'p narsa
He'll feel
borda,
that in
like
the volley.
bosmaydiganlar, like va obuna bo'lamiz.
Va Rafinha.
Birinchi tem tugashiga 2 daqiqa qo'shib berildi.
Va Mendes.
Mendes wins the ball.
Va Alisson. Va birinchi taym tugadi.
These teams is really important. It's 2 goals to 0.
Azizlar, ikkinchidan boshlandi.
Let's look forward to the second half of this global challenge.
Keyin
Keen
zarba.
shoots. Great stop from Callaghan.
Stram.
That's a fantastic tackle. And the
Qizil.
referee has no choice.
Stefan de Ver. Nimalar qilib tashyapti?
Let's take a look at that foul again.
Zarba. Mashina
Valverde.
juda
Fancies his chances from here. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot.
Va Vitinha ketdi va keyin va qatno aniq pas.
fizikni kuchaytirish kerak hozir. Pulingni faqat agentga saqlamasak kuchaytirib o'ynagan.
Va Rafinha.
He's moving it around.
Va keyin ketmoqda. Zarba.
Inches away from goal.
Jinday
Lekin
qoldi.
yaxshi shot beradi. Qaranglar, kommentda realchilar yoki realchilar komment to'ldirib tashlaymiz. Barchachilar like bosib tashlaymiz.
They're moving the ball
O'zbekiston
forward.
Abdushovini
Collins wins the ball.
bilamiz.
He dribbles the ball forward. Keen shoots.
Va zarba va to'singa tegib ketmoqda.
Kelganmiz
Not letting
zarbasini
up. They want to
kuchaytirib,
score
yuziga
more and more goals. He's headed the ball forward.
Va keyin ketmoqda. Zarba
He goes for goal.
va darvozabon qaytarmoqda. Va Vitinha ashirib berdi. Hakimi va qaytardi. Tarmoqqa. Va keyin Rossiyada Martinez ketmoqda. Martinez
Defending there.
pas berdi. Va keyin zarba va darvozabon qaytardi.
Darvozabon birovlar hech olmagan.
Mendes
Uses his strength to win the header.
Bahodirlamanchi.
Oh, they're in cruise control now.
Bahodirlaman
The
deb
game
alberdi
is surely
darvozabon.
Raptor wins the ball.
Zarba
Va
mashina va
zarba.
gol!
Here's
Keyin nima
Charles.
vaqti so'rabdi?
A goal from the substitute. Bringing him on was surely the right decision.
Va o'yin
Collins.
boshlandi.
Rafinha
Levis
olib qo'ymoqda. Hakimi va bizning foydamizga out ishlandi.
This player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. He's taken back possession. There's been a surprise goal in the other game. Few people saw
Hakimi.
that coming. Keane.
Va Valverde ketmoqda. Valverde mashina zarba.
Extra time added on now.
Voy
Woodward
to'singa
denies it
tegib
again.
ketmoqda.
He hit the post with that effort. He'll be so annoyed he couldn't quite make
Va
that
3 daqiqa
shot
qo'shib
count.
berdi. Asosiy daqiqa tugadi. Va keyin chetdan zarba berarmikan? Va
zarba va
Trigger.
endi gol demoqchi edim. Obuna va laykni to'ldirib
That's the
qo'ying.
final
Va
greatest play of attacking football
O'yin
today.
tugadi.
Muhammad Ertiyeva Ziyoda 7.
Va biz 3-0 ga